pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Today's episode is all about budgeting. Thank you so much for the support you gave so far. I just like to bring you good, helpful content. So in today's episode, I'm going to try my best to go over creating a budget, a very basic how to budget 101. Many times people don't budget because they just figure, oh, it's for broke people. But if you don't have a budget, your money will tell you what it's going to do. Trust me. I know there's plenty ways to budget. You can have apps on your phone. You can do spreadsheets. If you're an Excel girly, you can do a planner. You can do pen and paper, whatever is your method. Just have a budget that works for you. So what I'm going to do in this episode is just try to create the most, like I said, simple, basic how to budget. I'm going to use my real numbers. I'm going to just show you in the raw what I do to get started for the next upcoming month. What is a budget? I'm going to put the definition here on the screen. A budget is it's a plan on how you're going to tell your money what to do, how you spend your money, your income that comes in, and how you track your expenses that go out. And April is actually a financial literacy month. So that is the reason that I want to do this series, just to kind of, everybody's telling me, do you a financial series? So I just want to try to make it as simple as possible. I know everybody has their own method. This is what works for me. So I'm going to share it with you guys, and hopefully you can get something out of it. You can learn something, and it can help you have a budget. My version of what a budget is basically you telling your money to do what you want it to do before you get it. To give you an example, if you take $100 bill out the ATM in the morning, and then by the end of the night, you only have $5, and you're like, what did I spend $95 on? Yeah, because you didn't have a plan for that $100 before you took it out. So that's what I'm going to talk to you guys today in this episode. So let's get into it. So who needs a budget and why is it necessary? And I'm going to answer some of the misconceptions about a budget being too hard, too complicated, too much work. To the first point, who needs a budget? I believe that everybody needs a budget, because I don't care if you make $100, well, $1,000 a month or $1 million a month. Even the most financial savvy, wealthy people have budgets. All businesses hire accountants to make sure they're within their budget. Everyone should have a budget. It's not too much work. You just have to get out your head, overcomplicate things. So that's why this video is important, because I want you to show how simple it really is. First thing first, you need your laptop. That's just so you can go through your bank online and kind of see where you're at, how much money's in there. I suggest you do your budget the night before the deposit hits. So this budget is for, what I'm going to do is a monthly budget. So it's going to encompass all the money you receive in a month, all the expenses that's due in that month. But I'm also in another part going to talk about how I do week to week as well. So it's two parts. The first thing that we're going to need, like I said, it doesn't matter if you have a planner, a paper, a notebook. It doesn't matter. For me, I just do a regular notebook, very basic. I have all my planners and stuff, but I'm just going to show you guys a basic way that I plan to, like, how I budget. So you have your notebook. It's just full of paper, because I'm going to create my own little lines and stuff. Then you have one that has calendar in it. Oh, I'm sorry. This is actually oh, this is 2026, but the bills stay the same no matter what month it is, okay? So I'm going, for the sake of this video, these are my numbers. Like I said, I'm doing real things, but it's just going to show July, because the actual book that I picked up, I didn't notice that it was 2025 to 6. So just bear with me. But like I said, it's the same bills, honey. They come every 30 days, okay? And then you're going to have, this is like all your, things that you're going to write with, highlighters. Let's just put that right there. Then you're going to have your calculator. All right, so this is all you need. Okay. So the first thing you do, guys, you're going to get I recommend these Sharpie pens. They write really good, and they just make everything neat. My writing is not the best, so don't be coming for me in the comments. So what I do first, you need to write down all your bills. Not in here. You write them in here. You're going to write down the name of the bill, the due date, the amount, and what account it's going to come out of, okay? So the first thing here is gonna be due dates. All right. So the first thing is the first. We all know what's due on the first, honey. Okay. Rent and garage. Okay. And you know what? Just to be cute a little bit, I'm gonna use another little color. Okay. Then next is okay. So we got all the bills down.